What's up, guys? It's Osirus. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to a brand new video. And yeah, let's get right into this. So this is the first video in a series of videos I'm going to be doing on sampling in FL Studio. So I've been learning a lot about sampling and how to make beats with sampling. And yeah, I just thought I should share some of the tricks and techniques I've learned with you guys on how you can flip a sample or use a sample to make a beat. So we'll be looking at different tools you can use to sample in FL Studio. We'll be looking at sampler, SliceX, slicer. We'll take a look at editing and new time. So yeah, we'll also take a look at other things like working in the playlist, flipping drums, creating new sounds from drum loops, how to choose a sample and how to choose some records to sample. And we'll also be making some beats from scratch with samples. So this is going to be a very interesting journey for me, and I thought I should share my learnings with you guys. So let me know what you want to see in this series. Let me know if you have any suggestions, and I'll just take that into notice and touch on that. And if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. I can't wait to get into this. The next video will be on how to use sampler in FL Studio. So yeah, guys, that'll be all for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.